welcome to each of you on this special occasion to celebrate International Women's Day 2025 at Essar.
Empower a woman and you uplift an entire community, said Savitribai decades ago. And yet, this powerful statement rings true even today. No other words come to my mind when I reflect on this year's theme of Accelerate Women, an idea rooted in the concerted efforts to introduce more resources and streamline more processes to drive women's advancement.
Today, I'm proud to see more women at Essar, especially at leadership levels. There are stronger policies, mentorship programs, and an inclusive culture that ensures that every voice is heard and valued.